Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use the Tabby card in store. First, make sure your Tabby card has been activated through the Tabby app. Now open the Tabby app and sign into your account. Then check your available spending limit to make sure you have enough funds available for your purchase. After that, if you're using a digital card, make sure your Tabby card has been added to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Wallet if supported on your device. Now visit a store that accepts Visa card payments, then choose the products you want to purchase and proceed to the checkout counter. Next, tell the cashier that you would like to pay using a card. Here, if you're using a physical Tabby card, insert tap or swipe the card on the payment terminal. If you're using a digital wallet, unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal. After that, follow any verification steps that appear on the terminal or your device. You may be asked to enter your PIN, confirm the payment on your phone, or use fingerprint or face recognition for security. Now wait a few seconds while the payment is being processed. Once the payment is approved, the terminal will display a successful payment message. Then collect your receipt from the cashier if one is provided. After that, open the Tabby app to view your transaction details. Here you can see the purchase amount, the store name, and your installment plan if the purchase qualifies for split payments. Next, review your payment schedule to see when future payments will be due. You can also manage your installments directly from the Tabby app, make early payments, and check your remaining balance at any time. If a payment is declined, make sure your available spending limit is sufficient and that the store accepts Visa card payments. You can also check your internet connection and confirm that your Tabby card is active in the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.